Hi kids! Wow, so many things! Let's open it. 1, 2, 3.
Hiya.
Do you know that they all are erasers? You can also separate their parts. A butterfly, black color, green color. This is so nice.
Wow! Wow!
Second one is a flower. This is so colorful. A red color flower. Third one is a bird. This is cockatoo bird. Yellow color. Kids,
Wow!
so many playthings. This is a fish. Sky blue color, yellow color. Another fish. White color, violet color. Fruits, strawberry. Red color and green color. This is kiwi. Green and light brown. This is shell. Violet color. A dolphin. White and light blue. Let's join the kids. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow!
The first one is a mirror. Peach color, green color. The second one is a hat. Pink color, yellow color, pink color. This is so cute. The third one is a ring. This is a diamond ring.
No.
This is a sky blue color ring. And the last one is a sunglass.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Donuts. Let's open it. They are so colorful. Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 donuts erasers. We can also separate it. First donut. sky blue color, white color. Second donut. This is light pink color, white color. Third donut. Violet color, white color. Fourth donut, orange color. White color.
No.
Let's run them again. Now keep them aside. Orange, violet, light pink, sky blue.
No. Whoa!
Color crayons. Let's open it. So many colors.
Hiya!
Let's learn the colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, dark brown color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, yellow color, white color. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn numbers. Green, 3, 0, 30, 30. Red, 3, 1, 31, 31. Sky blue, 3, 2, 32, 32. Orange, 3, 33, 33. Purple, 3, 4, 34, 34. Yellow, 3, 5, 35, 35. Blue, 3, 6, 36, 36. Brown, 3, 7, 37, 37. Light green, 3, 8, 38, 38. Our last color is red, 3, 9, 39, 39. Now say with me, kids. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.